We are taking out a Lowboy and putting in a standard 80% furnace. We're taking out the AC and we're putting in just the coil. He's not doing the outdoor yet, but it just goes right out the wall there, and then it's just right there, old guy. But yeah, we have Bilco doors come right down, right in the garage there, or not in the garage, right in the driveway there. Pops right in the back. Pretty nice. But yeah, this is a short one. Usually they're a little bit bigger, but humidifier we got to change out there. But yeah, this shouldn't be too bad because yeah, just gotta do a little metal work. So yeah, well, let's get started. Alright, well, we're all hooked up and we're all good to go. Got the humidifier on back there, brand new. Got the plenum done. Got the new return done. So you can see the coil's not done. So we were only replacing the furnace today, but he wanted the coil. So we put the coil in. He's not doing the outdoor. So the outdoor's just out there. He's gonna do it eventually. So we put the coil in now. Eventually we'll come back and do the outdoor, and he pays for it. But other than that, we got the GFI, safeties, drains, everything. So just got turned on and get that guy out. See. All right, well, furnace works, humidifier works, pump works, everything works. So now we just wait until springtime when they whenever they decide to do the outdoor unit. Then we can attach that, pop a couple drain safeties on, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Not too bad for a Friday, and it came out pretty good for a Lowboy to a gas furnace. So hope you guys have a good weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.